You guys don't get to eat?
Do you have any particular? The weather is not healthy.
The little guys need to get some. Here. 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 We got a little friend, Soto. We're gonna go have lunch. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh yeah.
To smile. All right.
Sì, che ma non ve le riempie perché ha detto non ne vuole troppe. Un po' di questa qua. Allora. Aspetta un secondo.
Así.
Así o más?
Sí, así está bien.
Así está bien. Ok. Perline no, ci stanno i bocconcini se vuole.
All right, so we just got back from service, and the brother had told us that this place had the best mozzarella in the region. They have fresh milk from water buffalo. I guess they're like, I'll see if I can take a picture later if we saw some. Anyways, I thought I bought like 5 little ones. I did point to the 5 little ones, but they gave me these big ones, and they're pretty big. So I'm just gonna have a little snack here. Some tomatoes. These are like Vesuvius tomatoes, and Veronica's cutting up a little. We're gonna taste this cheese, and it says Italian orange juice on the carton that we bought. So we're gonna try it out. How is it?
Oh, tangy, but it's delicious.
You can try the cheese, or no?
I'm cutting your tomatoes first.
Oh, okay. Can you cut the cheese?
Cut the cheese off. Literally.
Yeah. That looks good. All right. Whoops. Anyways, I just bit this, and that totally tastes very different than the mozzarella we have at home. I don't even know how to describe it. I think, I don't know, it tastes super fresh is what I guess all I can say. I'll get Veronica's reaction right now. Sorry, baby, we're gonna get your reaction.
Oh, great. Your reaction was great. Juice everywhere.
All right, go for it.
Let's see. Okay. Flavor's not what I'm used to.
Right? But
Consistency either. I like chewy.
is this because it's so fresh?
Maybe. Let's just say that.
It's good.
You know?
It's good though.
Yeah.
There's something like it tastes like, but I don't know what it is. All right. We'll stop boring you with these cheese tastings. All right. Bye.
Over now.
Soy de California. Yo soy de California. No tenemos así. Oh, yeah. Very cool. Nice. Very good. Gambari. Gambari? Yeah. Veronica's literally pushing this because I can't get it in reverse. It's hilarious. Okay, let me. This is not good. I need to learn how to get it in reverse. Thank you, babe, for being so strong.
gonna have to go that way.
Are you sure that's not the road? It is the road, I think. Let's just go. Come on. I don't think we can go down there. It's weird. All right. Update. First of all, Veronica's strong. She was able to get us out. But I just found out that on this car, there's a little, we can see this ring that you pull up to go in reverse. That's why I couldn't go in reverse. I've never driven a Fiat before, so, and I haven't drove a stick in a bit. My other car's a stick, but these new fancy ones. All right, anyways.
For the future.
Baby, hit it.
We were trying to go to Pompeii, to the I don't know, the archaeological park, and Google, of course, does it again. Took us some back road to some muddy road to some little small road, all dirt. And now it looks like we're in a neighborhood.
You gotta pull over right here because you can't. Oh.
I'm gonna let him pull over.
Okay.
Yeah, that's just the thing. You gotta pull over for these people, or they pull over for you. Because yeah, the roads are not big enough for even small cars. So, anyways, we're going to go to another archaeological park that we bought a ticket for on Saturday, and it was good for 3 days. So that's where we're headed to right now.
Go.
Because you can't see things anyways. So yeah, we're not going to Pompeii. We don't know what's on the plan for tomorrow. Maybe we'll come back to Pompeii. The weather, the rain all of a sudden came in pretty good. So we'll see what we end up doing. But yeah, I should have recorded the little muddy road.
We should have.
Anyways, so, all right. Hola. Giuseppe. Angela. ¿Qué estás haciendo, Angela?
Polpette. Polpette.
Polpette,
Sì.
polpette.
Pane, carne, uova, formaggio, sale.
We're both cooking. She's making Neapolitan style dinner, and I'm making a Neapolitan Mexican style food too. She made Parmesan, eggplant Parmesan. Looking good. Yeah, so I made peppercini sauce with panna, which is a cream, and burro butter. And Veronica made some rice, Spanish style rice, looks pretty good, and some beans. Strato. I made friends with this dog. The people of this archaeological dig said someone abandoned him a few days ago. He's so cute. I wish we could take him home.
And that is, everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
More than I can say, do it to me.